How to remove a 2024, 2025 Honda HRV, the rear door handle. Simple. Here, remove this cap. Gotta unscrew this start bolt in there. You need one of these. Once you unscrew it, once it's off, you need to go over here. To remove the interior panel, you need to pull this up. Unscrew the bolt in here, disconnect the cable from the door switch, and then on this side over here, you need to pull it out. Just push it out. Maybe you don't have to do this, but I did it. I removed this cable so I can have more access. Here you're gonna have a cap. Take this cap off. Pull these down. As you can see, it has this sticky glue. Make sure you don't touch this with your clothing, because it's gonna damage your clothing. Then right in here, you're gonna have on the inner side of the door handle, right in here, you're gonna have this white part of the inner side of the handle. You're gonna push it forward. Once you push it forward, as you can see here, you're gonna grab the handle on the other side. And pull it off. Follow for more.